Stuck with a black screen on your RAM 3500 Apple CarPlay system? Let's troubleshoot this connectivity glitch in under 2 minutes. Statistically, 80% of these display issues are software related and don't require a trip to the dealership. We need to isolate whether the problem is your phone, the cable, or the Uconnect head unit itself. Start by performing a hard reset on your Uconnect unit, then swap your cable and clean your phone's charging port. Your phone's settings are often the silent culprit, especially regarding iOS firmware updates and privacy restrictions. If the screen stays dark, try forgetting the truck from your phone's list and clearing the projection cache in Uconnect. While most issues are solved at home, physical port damage or internal head unit failures will require professional service. Costs vary significantly, from a $20 cable to a few $100s for hardware replacements at the shop. If you're still stuck, check your fuse panel for blown radio circuits or see if a Uconnect firmware update is available. Keep an MFI-certified cable and a small plastic pick handy to maintain your connection and clear out debris. Remember, if the screen fails only intermittently, the problem is almost certainly a loose or damaged physical connection. Try these steps before heading to the dealer and subscribe for more RAM 3500 maintenance tips.